We have finally come to the part most people have problems dealing with. But what is a niche? A niche, in its marketing definition, is a group of people looking for specific products. Very simple, right? For example, baby products is a market. But people don't go on Amazon, for example, and write on the search bar, baby products. They are most likely to search for something like baby shoes. This is a niche within the baby products market. Baby diapers is another niche within the baby products market. So we can say a niche is a specific part of a broad market. You can also flip it a bit. For example, diapers are a market in itself. Baby diapers are a niche from both the diapers market and the baby products market. But babies aren't the only ones who use diapers. Old folks use diapers, people with incontinence, even dogs use diapers. So you can see the connection from markets and niches. You will hear a lot from teachers and experts that you should niche down. But why they say this? Well, still using Amazon for reference, would you think is easier to rank your product on the baby products category, which has 10 million products? Or it'd be easier to rank your product on the baby shoes category, which has 1 million products? What if you niche down even further and optimize your product for something like baby shoes for toddlers from 2 to 3 years old? This market is down from 1 million to 20,000 products. By niching down, your chances for ranking increase like crazy. And you should use this point of view when you are looking for a niche for your channel. But we will explain this further later on in the course. I hope you have now a clear idea of what a niche is and how it can help your business to be successful.